How to set up your new Redmi 14C. Turn on your phone by holding down the power button. The first thing you will see is the Xiaomi HyperOS screen. Follow it forward by pressing the arrow. Now you can scroll through the available languages and select the one you are comfortable with. I will choose English. And also you can increase text size for better readability. Click on the arrow to continue. Now select your region. I will leave the default setting and click the arrow again. A screen with terms of use will appear in front of you. Scroll down the text, check the agree box and continue. You can set up using another device. You can copy settings, accounts and more from another phone or tablet. I will skip it now. And after that, we have to insert a SIM card. The SIM card slot is located in the top left corner of the device. Insert the SIM removal tool to this hole to remove the tray. Then put the SIM card, just be sure that it is a nano size. You can put it into the first or second slot as you wish, and also you can put the micro SD card right here. Then we will return it back to the device. And now we can see the Wi-Fi connection features. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect. You can also go to advanced options to customize your privacy settings. If you don't want to connect to Wi-Fi now, like me, select Skip. After that, you can learn more about different Google services. I will just skip it now and accept. Set how you want to protect your phone. By only screen lock, by fingerprint or by face unlock. I will choose only screen lock. And a password. Now we will put our password, for example, 4 zeros. And once again, to confirm it. On the next screen, you can change settings such as geolocation, diagnostic data, automatic system update, and personalized ads. I will leave everything on and press continue. If the phone is for a child, you can activate parental control. I will not do that. Change the font type if you like. I will choose Mizens, for example, and confirm. Choose how to arrange the applications on the main screen. You can leave all applications on the screen or use the sliding application box. I will choose classic one. The final configuration step may take some time as the system is preparing for its first boot. The phone is ready to work. Subscribe to our channel and like it. Thank you for watching.